Today, I'll walk you through how to embed a YouTube video in a Mailchimp email, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to add engaging video content to your emails so you can enhance your communication and connect better with your audience. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Mailchimp. This is where you'll create your email campaign. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Mailchimp updates its interface regularly, but the core functions remain the same. Once you're logged in, head over to the email builder. Click on the blocks option, which is typically found in the sidebar. This is where you'll find various content elements you can add to your email. Take a moment to explore the options available. Now it's time to add your video. Click on the video block. This is a dedicated section for embedding videos, making it easy to include your YouTube content. If you don't see it right away, just scroll through the available blocks until you find it. Next, click on Add URL. This is where you'll input the link to your YouTube video. Make sure you have the correct URL copied to your clipboard. If you need to pause for a moment to find it, that's totally normal. Now paste the video URL you want to embed into the designated field. This step is crucial as it links your email to the video content. After pasting, you should see a preview of your video appear. This visual confirmation is a great way to ensure everything is set up correctly. Once you've confirmed that your video is embedded, you can customize the surrounding elements of your email to fit your brand. Consider adding a catchy subject line or a brief description to entice your audience to click on the video. And there you have it. You've successfully embedded a YouTube video in a Mailchimp email. This simple yet effective technique can significantly enhance your email campaigns, making them more engaging and interactive for your subscribers. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.